trifold brochure in InDesign is, see, here we have the option to create multiple pages. Okay, so here we are having an option to create multiple pages. So the first thing what I'll do is, see, I'm going to increase the size of the margin. So how we can increase the size of the margin? So see here, just go to the layout, margins and columns. Okay, everybody can see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so go to the margins and columns, and see, we can actually just increase the margin. See, the margin is right now, it is a little bit inside. Let me actually keep it a little bit outside. Okay, see, I'm just using my down arrow, and see that now the margins are going to the edges, right? Like, okay, so something like this, right? So now we have set the margins, and see, for our brochure we need 3 columns. Okay, so see here, we need 3 columns like this, and also we will reduce the gutter. Just we will reduce the gutter space. Okay, gutter should not be too much, just we will make it like this. Okay, so just like this. And the next thing is, see here, we will first create a design for our brochure. Okay, so, and also we will understand the topic. So the topic, what is the topic of our brochure? So the topic is, we are going to create a hotel. It's like a 5-star hotel advertisement. Okay, 5-star hotel brochure. Example, so I'm going to create a brochure something like a Taj Krishna. Okay, so this is a Taj Krishna brochure. Okay, Taj Krishna. So we will be getting some images. Okay, and also we will be getting some content. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I am going to create just a folder. See, always make it a habit to create a folder, and we will say Taj Krishna brochure. Okay, just a minute. Hello. Right. So let me get some images. Okay, we'll put some images inside the folder. So I'll say Taj Krishna. Okay, so this is Taj Krishna. Okay, I think, what is that? Is it related to? Is it a JPG file? I think we need a JPG file again. Yeah, it is a JPG file. Okay. So we'll just copy this, and we'll put it in a folder. So where is the folder? Okay. And how many of you have completed that newspaper? Nobody has completed. Newspaper. I think
I completed.
Nishant, you completed?
Yes.
I also completed.
Okay. Who is this? Somebody is selling. Okay. Dinesh, you also completed?
Sir, I will send now.
Okay. Okay, here we'll say Okay, so I have put the JPG file here, and we will also get some more images here. Okay, for example, we'll say Taj Krishna stuff. So just put the stuff images like this. So which one? Okay, I'll put it like this. Okay, this is nice. Sridevi is there, right? Okay. So where is our yeah, let's okay, so we'll say interiors. Okay, so we can get some interior images.
Sir, I have sent a paper in a document, I know, for the WhatsApp.
In WhatsApp you sent, huh? Okay.
Yes, sir. PDF format.
Okay, okay. Okay, I will check after the class. So first we will complete
Okay.
complete the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we'll just save these images. Okay. So once you save these images, right. So once we got the image, okay, we can also get the images for the back side also. Okay. So first we will we'll just take pool. We'll say pool. Okay, this is a pool side. So always make it a habit to first collect all the images and put it inside a folder. Okay, this should be the habit actually. And then what is the next thing? So we can also create this Taj Krishna kitchen. Okay, so we'll also create a kitchen here. We'll take a bigger one. Chefs, okay, and we'll just say garden. So we'll pick all the interior images. Okay, so now we got all the different type of images. So now we'll start working on the, because we have collected all the images, now we'll start working on this, okay, brochure, trifold brochure. Okay, so how to start? So I have taken a template here. See, I have taken a template, so we can actually make use of this template, right? We can make use of the template and start designing the brochure, right? Okay, I think whoever has completed the Corel Draw, okay, whoever completed the Corel Draw, I think they know how to design a brochure, right?
Yes, sir.
So I have also taken the same reference, I think. Okay, so now what I will do is, see, first we will start with the images. We will try to put the images. So how we can put the images? See, we can use this rectangle tool here. So just I am going to draw a rectangle here. So we will keep it till here. Okay, We'll keep the rectangle tail here, and you can actually give some color to this. And then we can see you can use this option. What is this? Direct selection tool. So you can use the direct selection tool, and then simply so you can actually we can give some design to this, styling to this like this. So means actually this type of editing you can do in InDesign, or you can actually go to softwares like Illustrator, and also you can do you can do the designing, right? Something like this. And then we can remove the which one? We can remove this stroke to this. See, we can just click on this none, so that now the stroke is gone. Just remove the stroke, and we'll try to do the same thing here. We'll just take off. See, always make it a habit to do with the we'll also do one thing. We'll actually extend it. We'll extend it till here. Okay. And we'll also extend it. So I'm giving an easy method for all of you to design the brochure. Okay. So then, what is the next step? Yeah.
దీంట్లో Illustrator ఫైల్ డైరెక్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేయొచ్చు సార్ InDesign లో. Corel Draw and Illustrator.
You can open Illustrator file. Okay, you can not Corel Draw. Corel Draw is a different company, but you can open Illustrator. Okay, like this. So we have created like this.
PDF files open hour, sir.
PDF you can open actually.
PDF also, CDR, Corel Draw.
No, CDR no, you cannot open. CD means for Corel Draw is a different company actually. Corel Draw has no connection with Photoshop or InDesign or Illustrator. Okay, so let's try to give it a bluish color. Okay, and see you can add up anchor points here. See, you can add an anchor point simply. Right, and then so we can actually again remove the stroke like this. So keep it like this. Okay, so you can actually close these gaps. Right, don't keep any gaps. Right, so once we are done with this, so what is the next step? So now we'll start putting the images. Okay, so we are going to put images because it is related to the hotel, right? So we can start putting the images. So let us first check what is our first image. Okay, so we can put our first image, this one, interiors. So simply come back to the InDesign, select this one, Ctrl D, and then so where is here, and then select the interiors and click OK. Right, just you have to do right click, fitting, fill frame proportionally like this, and then we can actually make it high quality. Okay, display, high quality display like this. See, like this. Okay, so you can put an image, then you do the same thing. Select this, Control D, and then we will put this Taj Krishna. Okay, then we will say fill frame post portion. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So now select this again and we'll put the third image. Control D. So the third image is going to be, we'll put this, pull. Okay, and then we'll just say 15 fill frame proportional, like this. Right? So now we have placed the images. Okay, so now our next job is to place the content. So we'll be placing the content. See, I'll just come in 1 minute. All of you please be online. Okay, just 1 minute I'll come. All right. Okay. Everybody is there, right? Okay. Everybody is there? Lokesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we will see the images we are there. Okay, we will also do one
Yes,
thing.
sir, yes, sir.
Okay, we will also do one thing. We will actually create the second page, and also we'll put the images in the second page also. See, just click out, create it. The only thing is, see, first we have to know we should know exactly what is the size of our margins. If you don't know the size, you can just come back to the page 1 and then you can click on this. See, we can check this margin size. We can see all 1p3. The margins are 1p3, so we have to put the same margins in the second page also. Okay, so how we can put? Just come back to the second page, just go to the margins and layouts, and we will say 1p3. Okay, see, now we have the same margins, and also we can use the same thing. And if you don't know the gutter space, we will also check the gutter space. Wait a minute, let me check the gutter space in the first page. 0p5. okay, 0p5 is the gutter space, so we'll say 0p5. so this is the gutter space. Okay, so now we have these 2 pages. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. So if you want to put the same type of images, okay, see, what you can do is, see, instead of designing these shapes again, so we can do one thing. Let me actually drag this one. One minute. See, I am exactly dragging the same image and trying to put it here. Put it in the second page. Okay, but here we will change the image now. Is it clear, all of you? I will be changing the image in the second page. Just I am going to say select this, then alt and drag. See, I am alt and drag. Remember that. Alt and drag. Okay, just keep it like this. And same thing. In case you want to change the directions, for example, if you want to put this, let me delete that. Okay, if you want to put the design over here, you can do that. Means instead of here we have the design on the left side, in the second page we will put the design on the right side. So this type of changes we are going to do. So something like this. Okay, and then this one we can do something like a flip. Okay, I will also delete the I will delete the image, so we can flip it. Okay, because in the second page the design should be a little bit different. Let us not put the same type of design in the second page. Okay, so I have changed it. And then the last one, so let me actually alt and drag. Okay, are you all getting my point? Are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what he'll do is I can delete the image. See how to delete the image. You can select this one, this direct selection tool, and simply delete the image. Okay, see now all three these things have no images. So what we can do is we can place the images. How to place the images? Different images. First select this, Ctrl D, and we will put the staff image. Okay, then we will say fill frame proportion. Then we will select this, Ctrl D, then we will put this gardens. Okay, think gardens is not so interesting. Let's do one thing. Let's put the image of this one, chefs. Okay, right, and here we will put the gardens. Is it clear, all of you? Like this. Adjust it properly. Okay, so something like this we have to do. So we have to adjust it properly like this. Now the next step. So once we have placed all the images in 2 pages, so what is the next thing we have to do? Now we have to get the content. So first thing is, see, we will get the logo. Okay, logo of our brochure. Are you all getting my point? We will first get the logo of our brochure. So how we can get the logo? So we'll go to the Google. Taj Krishna logo. Right? Okay. So this is the logo actually. So we'll do some modifications, okay, with this. I want only the logo, okay. So what I can do? Let me go to Photoshop. So we'll try to open it in Photoshop. So I want to remove the background. So how to remove the background? Anybody can tell one. See, all of you, I think all of you know Photoshop, right?
Yes, sir.
I want to remove the complete white color. So,
Magic eraser.
but magic eraser, if I use magic eraser, see what happens. Still there are some white colors inside this D. Once again I have to do it separately. So is there any other process? Let us see who is going to tell. I want to remove all the background, that white color.
Sir, coloring అనుకున్నాను.
Sure.
Blending mode.
Okay. Color range. Some are saying blending mode. Some are saying color range.
Chroma key, sir. Chroma key.
Okay. See, we can use color range. Okay. Simply select the color range, pick the color, just click OK. Just simply delete. See, just in one blow we have removed it. But also one more thing, there is one problem with color range. See here. It has actually given,
Transparent type.
it has become transparent. So we will try to reduce the, see, should not be this much actually. Okay. Okay. So now it's perfect. Now let us try to save this. Let me crop it. Let me save it now. Okay. So where is our folder? Anybody can see here? Yeah. Let us directly save it in Photoshop format. Okay. So this is the logo. Now we will come back to InDesign. Come back to the first page. Okay, then I am going to just simply import this. Okay, or we can do one thing. So I am going to put the logo inside this one. Okay. Okay. We want to actually increase the so what you can do to fit it properly? Okay. Right? So something like this we can create. Okay. See, so we have created, and next is let us also put a background here. See, actually we have a plain white color background. We'll put some different color. We'll put some different color instead of white color. So how we can put? So we can actually we can actually create this rectangular tool. Just draw it like this. So let me give it a, we'll give some yellowish color, okay? Okay, and then we'll send it behind everything. So how we can send it behind everything? Anybody can tell? We can use arrange, send to back, okay?
Send to back.
Right. Actually, see, we got a problem here. See, what is the problem? See, I think we did not get the transparency for our this one. We did not get the transparency for our logo. See? So what we can do? We want transparency for our logo, right? So what is the problem here? So we got a problem here. Let me save it in let me save it as PNG. Let us see. We should get actually, see, Photoshop actually supports transparency, but why it did not support here? There is some problem here. So let me save it as a PNG. Okay, let me now try. So where is our PNG file? Yeah. See, now we got transparency. Okay. We can then try to scale it down a little bit. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once we have adjusted it like this, okay, right. Now, so we'll do the same thing. We want the same color, same yellow background. So simply Alt and drag. Okay, and then right click, arrange, send to back. Okay. And we will use the same thing here. So we'll just take the same this what do you call logo, and then we'll keep it here. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now we got the logo. Right. So now two sides we have put the content also. Okay. Okay. And then we will give some gradient coloring to the background. So how we can give gradient coloring? So simply select the background, then we have to go to the gradients here. So where is gradients? Windows, color and gradients. And then we will try to apply some gradient. Okay. So how we can apply gradients? You have to pick the color. So we'll use a yellowish gradient. Okay, yellow and dark yellow. So I think okay, and in case you want, you can use a radial also. Just see. Okay. Okay, so just we will use a radial gradient. Okay, something like this, right? Right. So you can actually use master pages. Are you able to understand what I am saying? So instead of doing like this, you can use master page for this background. So we can use master page so that this same background will appear in the second page also. Okay, are you all getting my point? So what we can do? Just I will just copy. Just come back to this. Control V. See, I am copying and pasting in master pages. Is it clear, all of you? So that the same design will be in the other page also. See here. Same design is in the other page also. Here this is only a reference, don't worry. Okay, or we'll do one thing. Directly we'll keep it. And simply send to back. Right. Okay. Okay, so what is the next step? So now we have to get the content here. So we can get the content. So how to place the content? So we can actually see here. Let me actually make it scale it down. Okay, let me scale it to 80%. So that there is space for content. Okay. Okay, so how we can put the content now? See, here we will just type the matter. Are you all able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So I think I want it to be in one line. Why it's not coming in one line? Let me. So we'll just center align this, okay? Right. Then we will just put one paragraph here, okay? So paragraph related to the Taj Krishna, okay? So we can say we'll go to the online, okay? Or you can say Taj Hotels. Okay, so we can just copy this matter. Just we can paste it. Okay, is it clear, all of you? So just we can see, I am not using any styles here, but in case you want to use the styles, you can use. Okay, so we can actually we can give it a Times New Roman. Okay, we can give it 8 points. Then what else we can do? So we can actually increase the size of the text. Okay, see, if you want the text to if you want this text to means if you want this image to wrap the text, are you all getting my point? Are you all getting my point? I want this
Sir.
image to wrap the text. Okay, so we can click here. See, can you see what happened? Now this the image is got wrapped. Okay, image has wrapped the text. So you can actually go to this text to wrap options. So you can then increase this. See here. So now I can actually now the text is getting adjusted to the corners of the image, like this, and you can still increase the text size also. So like this, see, but actually make sure that all text is present actually, because some text got inside here. Right. So something like this you can put in case you want to put like this, or if you want all entire text, see, you can do one thing. Let us reduce the size of the text, because we want the entire text to be visible. Right. So we can do it like this. Okay, now let's come to the next column. So see, here what should be the content actually. So we can put some different content here in the second page. Okay, so we can say something like a accommodation. Okay, so I am going to create one text here. Okay, so we can center align this. Okay, then what is the next thing we can do? So we can actually put the accommodation means bookings and etc. Something like this. So how we can put? So let me actually see. I will open this flaticon.com. Flaticon.com. So we'll say, see, accommodation means we'll just type hotel here. So this is a hotel. So we can get some information, okay? You can get some icons related to the hotel. Are you all getting my point? Okay, you can
Yes, sir.
we'll download this one, okay? See, always download it as an SVG file. So I'll just copy this and I'll paste it. Okay, let's now bring it to this. So see, okay. See, so just I have placed this, and you can use this pre-transform tool to scale it down. Okay, is it clear, all of you? You can use the free transform tool to scale it down, and whoever knows CorelDRAW or Illustrator, see, they can actually take this file to that CorelDRAW or Illustrator, and then you can give it different color, because we cannot do shape editing in InDesign. Understand this, okay? We cannot do shape editing in InDesign. Right. So then here what you can do next? See, just keep it here, and then I will just put one content here. Okay, so we can say some accommodation, okay, some small content. Let us get from Wikipedia. Okay, so let me make it small. Right, so something like this, and then we will get few more icons here. So once again I am going to go to flat icon, and we can say spa. See, I will just take spa. You know what is spa, right? You know what is spa? Nobody knows spa? So just I am downloading this icon, it's nice. See, everybody is listening or not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, so I am going to just copy this. We'll just say spa. Okay, just select the spa, and then we will keep this spa below this. Okay, Control D, and then we'll select the spa, and then we'll say like this. Then you'll use this free transform tool to make it a little bit small and adjust it. Okay, it should be parallel to this. See here. Okay, so something like this. And again, let's create a text block here, and we can put the matter related to that spa. Okay, so we can put So just we'll go to the Wikipedia again. If you want to type spa, you can type spa here. Okay. So whatever you want, you can take. Okay. Just paste it. Okay, and then we will reduce the size. And then we will just do this justify. Okay, justify like this, right? So like this, we will just put 2 more images. So how to put 2 more images? So we can just go to this website and we will type something like food. Okay, we'll just download this. Then we will keep it, paste it here. We'll just say food. Okay, and again just create a this one and right click and you can say this, and if you want to adjust it, so adjust it properly. Okay, okay, is it clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
निशांत, आपको समझ में आ रहा? निशांत, Nishant, I think Nishant is sleeping, I think. I'll see who is active. I think some of you are become very dull, I think. Nishant has gone. What happened to Nishant? So why he has gone? See, without informing why some people are just going away like that. Nishant gone, and also one more person has left, right? Who is that one more guy? Right. Okay. So what is this? Nishant, are you there?
Sir.
So just let me copy this. So let me give it Times New Roman. Okay. Okay, let's do the justify. Okay, try to check the sizes of this. So what is the size of this? 7 points and minion. Okay, we will also put the same size. Right, so see here, just last and one more thing is there. One last icon will put. So what is that one last icon? So what we can put, anybody can tell? Anybody went to 5-star hotel till now? Nobody went to 5-star hotel.
Yes, sir.
So you don't know what is there inside 5-star hotel, huh?
Laundry ఉంటుంది సార్.
Laundry, but okay, we can actually put means what are the
Gym won't help, sir. Gym.
okay, gym, we can say gym,
Swimming pool.
huh?
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool, okay, we'll see swimming pool,
Water park.
okay. It's okay, there is swimming pool here, okay, we'll just select this is nice. So we'll just copy this and then so where is our file, Raj Krishna? Okay, so I'm going to keep it. So just see this, the good thing about this software is you'll get lot of alignments, so the alignments you are going to get, okay. So just we'll put this swimming pool, right, and we'll say so how to adjust. Okay, try to adjust it properly, okay, like this. So then last and final is we will just put a text like this, okay. And then here we will just here just we will put the final text like swimming pool. So I'll just copy this, paste it, and here I'll just put 7 points, right. We'll do the justify last left. See here, okay, is it clear all of you? See, we have completed these 2 columns.
Yes, sir.
We have completed 2 columns. Just last column what we'll do is we will put the address of this, address and phone number and website, okay, website address, phone number, and what else, actual landmark, okay, actual address, okay. So again we can take these icons actually. So what you can do is so just we will get the phone icon, okay. I think I have already downloaded a phone icon. See here we have this, okay. We can then use this, okay. You can actually rotate it if you want. And then you can use this free transform tool to make it little bit small. Is it clear all of you? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then say you can we can put some phone number also. So we can put the phone numbers. So you can simply, so you can just simply say this. So what is the phone number? Okay, you can say so how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and we can also put extra number 733 like this something. Okay, so again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. See here actually we don't have too many shapes actually. Some shapes are there. Okay, so for example, see if you can actually take this rectangle tool. If you want a rounded rectangle, I think there is an option here. Okay, so where we can find options? So you can have this options here. Can you see here? Pathfinder. See where this option is actually? You can go to object and layout. See actually in older versions it is not inside object and layout. Okay, so this in this version it is in object and layout. So this pathfinder, and then you can create something like a rounded rectangle, and then you can give some color to this. Okay, then we can make it a little bit big like this. Okay, then we can just say arrange, send backward like this. So you can actually scale it down. Okay, something like this. Okay, so something like this you can create. And then what else we can do? So we can put email also. Okay, so email also we can download. I think I have downloaded already. Okay, I think we'll copy this. See, always keep it everything in the same folder. Okay, then I think we have put it in the where did we put? So over here. Right? So how to scale it? Okay, so something like this, and then we can just create a block like this. And then we'll say Taj okay, info, okay, we'll say info at tajkrishna.com. Okay, clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Try to change the colors by going to you can by opening it in Photoshop or Illustrator. Whoever doesn't know Photoshop, whoever doesn't know Illustrator, they can open it directly in Photoshop and give colors. Okay, and then last and final thing is, see, just we will just put the website address and actual address. Okay, so the actual address is, see, we can we can do one thing. So we can actually we will just put the icon here. See, address. See, we can use this icon. Everybody will use this icon. Okay. Right, then I'll simply take one. So what he'll do? So where is that address? And then we'll say fitting, and also we will just use this, and we'll also make it a little bit. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Sir.
Right. So just what do you have to do now? So we have to just put the address. So what is the address? Anybody knows? So road number 12. Okay, just road number 12, Banjaras, Hyderabad. Okay, 68. Okay, so something like this. See, make sure that it's not coming. See, it's coming out of the margins, so it should not come out of the margins. Okay, so what do you have to do? Like this. So it should always remain within the margins. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. And finally, one last step is here. One last step, what you'll do is, see, we can have to create the website address. For that, what you'll do, so I'm going to take a rectangle tool. Okay, and then I will just use it as a rounded rectangle. And then, so let me keep it here. Okay, we'll just use it, make it into a rounded rectangle. Let me give red color to this. See, let me give some gradient also. So how to give gradient? Anybody can tell? How to get a gradient? Anybody can tell? Everybody is sleeping or what? Nishant? Okay. Nishant and Lokesh.
No, sir.
Okay, so how to give gradient? So we have to
Sir, color option gradient. Select gradient.
okay, just take a gradient. See, I will also give you one test of this brochure. Everybody has to listen carefully. That's what I am telling you. Why I am doing all this completely? Because you will be given a test of one is a brochure test, one is a book test. Two tests means in design you have to complete two tests, not one. Okay, understand everybody? So that is why please be attentive.
Same like this, sir.
I will tell you the topic. See, I will tell you the topic. Okay. So after the class, I will tell you what is the topic. Okay. So how we can apply gradient? So actually it's applying to the outline. So we have to apply to the what? We have to apply it to the fill color. అనూష ఉన్నారా?
ఉన్నాను సార్.
ఓకే గుడ్. ఆదిత్య మీరు కూడా ఉన్నారు కదా? ఆదిత్య వెళ్ళిపోయారు అనుకుంటా. వెళ్ళిపోయారా? ఉన్నారా? వెళ్ళిపోయారా ఆదిత్య? I think Aditya left. What happened to Aditya? Venkatalakshmi, are you there? Venkatalakshmi. I think Venkatalakshmi is okay. Right. So now what we'll do here, inside this we will put the website address. So we'll say www.tajkrishna.com. So what happened here? It's not selecting. Wait a minute. We'll say www.tajkrishna.com. Okay. I'll just center align this, then keep it so we'll actually give it which color? See, white will be nice. Okay, and we'll give Times New Roman bold. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
See the first page we have completed. See the first page we have completed, and see, I don't have to do the second page completely. See, just I can just put the matter here. Okay, I can just put the matter. So how I can put the matter? See, so I can just simply say here we'll say top quality chefs. Okay, insert top quality chefs. Is that clear, all of you?
Sorry, sir.
Top quality chefs, and we can say something like and top quality chefs and world's best cuisine. You know what is cuisine?
Yes, sir.
What is cuisine?
Food, sir. Food.
Ah, right.
Very.
Okay. So like this. Okay. So here we can actually see, we can put some just random dummy matter. Okay, because we don't have time to once again arrange. If you want, you can do patiently. Okay. So just what I will do is, I will put some random content from internet. Just to get something like a cuisine will say. Just copy this. Okay, I'll just paste it. Okay. So we'll try to reduce the size. See, I have not created any styles for this, but you can do this. Okay, you can create paragraph styles and create some nice things. Okay. Okay, and then last what you'll do is, so you'll do one thing. Awards and recognition. Just last column we'll put here is awards and recognition. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Right? See. So then what I will do now? So just you will get to go to the internet. You just type food Oscar, or you'll say food awards. Okay. Okay, we'll use this. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think it's a PNG only now. Let us see. If it is not a PNG, we'll first check whether it's a PNG or not. We'll open it in Photoshop. Okay, we'll open it in InDesign now. So let me okay. So then we'll try to make it, we'll try to adjust it properly. Okay. So then we'll just keep it exactly here. just it's not coming here, right? Okay, and we can make it a little bit small. See, if you are making it small, use this free transform tool. Okay, okay, and then we can say Asia's best Asia's best cuisine. You can center a line, make it okay, and then we can also do one more okay, and we'll also do something else, something like hotel awards. Okay, best luxury hotel award. Okay, we'll do this. Is it clear, all of you? Okay, then we'll just come back here. We'll just take a Control D. So we'll just fill frame proportional. Okay, and then how to make it small? We'll use direct selection tool. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Anusha, అర్థమవుతుంది కదా?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So now, what we'll do now? Just simply we'll say best luxury hotel 2020. Okay, right? So see here, so we have actually completed the design. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So now what we'll do is the final thing, we will just export this. Okay, so if you want to see, if you don't want any empty spaces, you can put some okay, we'll do one last thing here. So we'll just say here, we'll say get discount coupons, book now. Okay, we'll just download one more icon here. Okay, just come back to the, we'll just type label here. Okay, let us see what we'll get. Yeah, we want this one, so we'll get this. Okay, just copy this keep it here. Okay, then what is the next thing we'll do? So I'm going to just create one this, Control D. Then where is this? Here. So actually so okay, we'll do one thing, we'll actually give it one red color to this. So we can get red color. So we'll just open it in Photoshop. Okay, and then simply we'll give red color gradient. So okay, so we have to take reverse here. Okay, now we will just save it as a PNG file. Okay, and then we'll come back to design. Okay, 12 frame proportional. So we'll just use this. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so just what we'll do, so we'll just type one matter here. Matter is 30% off for bookings today. Okay, 30% off for bookings today. So then just simply center align this. Just 30% off. Okay, so then we will just give some red white color to this. Right, so we want actually some bold also. So we can give bold. I'll use Times New Roman bold. Okay, right. See, in case you want to give some drop shadow to this design, so what you can do, so just you can go to the styles, object styles. So all of you know this object styles? Yes or no? Object styles nobody knows. I think I told you now.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Only Anusha is talking. What about others? What happened to all others? All others are sleeping or left or what? Dinesh, Sashi, Lokesh.
Nasser.
Okay, Nishant. Okay, see
Yes, sir.
see here. See, we have finally completed the brochure. See, now we will do the final thing, that is export it. So how we can export? So So you can simply export by just going to file, export, and we'll export as a PDF. Understand everyone? We'll export as a PDF. So just type trifold brochure. Save this, and we'll use a press quality and then export. Okay, so did we export that? Here. Okay, see here. So this is our trifold brochure. Okay, here actually this logo is lost somewhere. Wait a minute. So what happened to the logo here? Okay, so now we'll export it for one last time. Okay, see here. All of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, now I am going to give you one test for the next class. Okay, all of you make sure. I think how many of you are there? Sai Satvik, are you there? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.